All right, good morning. Quick sound check. What did Apex literally just announce? Holy shit. I clicked the live button and I literally just got the email from Apex as well. You can get a $100,000 account for $69.40. I feel like they did that intentionally. I feel like they were going for they should have done 69.42. I feel like that would have been a little bit better. But hey, nonetheless, $100,000 account, 80% off, $10 lifetime PA fee, $69.40 all in. Damn. That's a pretty impressive Black Friday deal. I feel like I should just go grab one real quick. All right, we'll take a look at markets here in just a minute. We are getting that little bit of a gap down, though, that I was talking about in the free video last night, though, which I like. I do like that. You like an RTY? Yeah, at the moment, RTY is the only one. I mean, I guess Dow is technically green, but RTY is the only one that's really green. All right. What else are we watching? Anything I'm missing? We have 4 minutes. I'll give the quick rundown here. So, at the moment, we are getting this gap down. I think we've got to just kind of let this be for a little bit here this morning. We want to let this kind of settle in, see what it wants to do in terms of the indices. You know, again, I think there's room to 6783s up to 6800s here for the S&Ps, which is like 90 points from here, give or take. I mean, 70 to 90 points, right? Depending on where we want to go up there. So, certainly open to the idea of longs in there. At the same time, we also have the NASDAQ with room up to 25,258s. So I'm going to keep an eye on this kind of overnight low down here in the NASDAQ. It's at 24,822s right in through there. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark this up just so we can see it. And let me hide this. Get that out of the way. There we go. So I'm going to watch and see if we can't kind of pull back into there. I think there's a real shot that we maybe trade like 780s or so. So we'll push through that by, you know, maybe 30, 40 points or so. We don't necessarily have to, but I do think it's certainly possible. There is a level in here at 2415s for the Russell. We've got room up to 2452s. This is certainly the stronger market on the day, at least on the indices side of things. It was stronger yesterday, just NASDAQ made a better move risk reward wise. So I don't know why that might be. Hold on. I'm getting an error message on that for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. All right. So yeah, I want to let the markets kind of settle themselves out here for the first little bit. There's really nothing to work with in the Dow. We've got room above if we want to really get moving up to 911s. That was kind of the area which we were watching for yesterday. Kind of seems like we're getting a little bit of movement here now in the pre-market. We're now up a decent little bar just now, put us up like 70 points in the last 5 minutes. So Russell Dow certainly have the strength. If we do see like kind of a flip-flop day, it'll be rather interesting that NASDAQ doesn't at least try and find a bottom on the day and start to rally that back some. I'd be a little bit surprised at that. So yeah,